Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to time block your tasks in Notion calendars. Time blocking is a powerful productivity method that helps you allocate specific time slots to your tasks, giving you better control over your schedule and helping you stay focused throughout the day. First, you'll want to create or open a Notion page where you want to manage your time blocking. This could be a dedicated productivity page or any existing workspace where you organize your tasks. Once you have your page ready, you'll add a calendar view database to make time blocking visual and intuitive. Simply type /calendar into your page and select calendar view from the options that appear. This creates a dynamic calendar where you can see all your time blocks at a glance. Now it's time to populate your calendar with tasks. Add your tasks to the calendar as individual entries. And for each task, make sure to specify both the start and end date by setting these properties. This is crucial because it tells Notion exactly how much time you're dedicating to each task, which is the foundation of effective time blocking. Once your tasks are in the calendar, you can arrange them by dragging each entry into the appropriate date slots to visually block out your work periods. You'll notice you can stretch the calendar entries to cover the exact duration you need, giving you complete control over how your time is divided. To make your time blocking even more organized, consider using tags or categories to label each time block. You might categorize by project, priority level, or type of work, like meetings, deep work, or admin tasks. This visual distinction helps you quickly identify what kind of work you're doing at any given time. For an even more comprehensive view, utilize multiple calendar views or switch to board views to see your time blocking from different perspectives, whether that's by day, week, or project. This flexibility allows you to zoom in on daily details or zoom out to see the bigger picture of your week. As you work through your schedule, mark tasks as completed within the calendar or linked task database to track your progress. The beauty of time blocking in Notion is its flexibility, so continuously adjust and move tasks around as your day or week progresses. This keeps you structured while allowing you to adapt to unexpected changes or shifting priorities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.